Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets, and the reason for that because most beginners will only start with one account to see if something works. And I want to show them the type of results they can get with just only one account, minimum effort. Now, most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually have multiple accounts. They usually have about 4 or 5 accounts, but people who are just starting want to see if it works first. So I want to show the type of results they get. Now you might get less or more than me. It depends, of course. I can't guarantee you'll make the same amount, but this is what I'm getting. Okay, guys, that's all I'm showing. I want to show you guys my results. All right, so if you're interested in following along, all the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is the reason why I like promoting the $25 online business, because essentially it's a funnel builder. Very easy to use funnel builder. It's a bunch with no real limitations towards it. You can make as many funnels as you want. You can make as many pages as you want. You can connect them into domains as you want. It's very easy to make subdomains. It's easy to connect stuff to it in general. So it's a very nice funnel builder. You get other stuff too, but that's the main thing you're buying when you buy the $25 online business. You get a ton of funnel builder. All right, and anybody can tell you online business, funnel builder, they go together like glue, like cereal and milk, whatever. Anyway, so yeah. Now I know the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month, which is just unacceptable. And this is like the cheapest product. You know, you have a ton of limitations with that. Like even something as simple as not even including like how many funnels you can build and stuff like that, but something as simple as how many people can see your funnel. So basically, and with My Lead Gen Secrets, a ton of people are gonna see your funnel, right, guys? When you're using My Lead Gen Secrets, so it's just insanity that they can block. And when a certain amount of people see your funnel, they'll shut it down until the next month when you pay the next $97. Now, even if you want to get rid of those limitations, it still costs $300 per month to do that. So it's just an absurd amount of money. I used to pay it. I don't anymore. And I'm not doing it ever again, guys. So that's that. Now, the second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested, and the main reason I was interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions, monthly commissions, 80%. That's insanity, guys. I want to show you just how crazy that is. Before I found this product, guys, if I were to see 40% recurring commissions on something, I'd say, wow, that's really good. That's really good, right? That's what I would have said for 40%, guys. 80% is just insanity. So that's a big reason why I like promoting it. All right, guys, let's look at my results, see what's going on here. So anyway, though, looks like we did get sales. I don't know. I think they might be rebuilds, guys. Depending on the thumbnail, my thumbnail will tell you if I got a sale or not. Because I don't check those. Oh, let's refresh it. All right, I do got 2 sales here.
Nice.
All right, so I'm not entirely sure if they rebuilds at this point, because like I said, I've been getting sales. So it's a very good chance they might be rebuilds from last month. I got a ton of sales last month, so they might be rebuilds, guys. So like I stated before, you'll know with the thumbnail. The thumbnail will tell you if I got sales or not. I'm not entirely sure yet. I don't check until after I do the video. But anyway, guys, you see how I did the refresh there? Even if it's rebuilds, it might as well be a new sale. You know what I mean? It's treated like another sale. You know what I mean? I still get the money. But anyway, guys, make sure people refresh the page when they show you real results, because I have seen a ton of pages, YouTube channels, when they show these crazy numbers, and it's a still frame or just insane numbers, usually from ClickBank, of how much money they're making with this product and so on and so forth, and it's not true. It's just not true. If they don't refresh the page like I just did there, it's not true. It's very easy to change these numbers around. It's so easy to change these numbers around to make it look like whatever. So that's why you got to refresh it, because refreshing it will show it real results, right guys? So I guess a solid way to do it is, if the person that you watching, the affiliate marketer on YouTube, if they are showing you different ways to make money every single video, you got to look at that with a question mark. That's all I'm saying. Now, I'm not saying that they're not making money with that product, but they're more likely making money from YouTube and not necessarily from the way they teach you how to make money. All right, guys, don't fall into that trap. But that's all I want to say about that. Anyway, we're gonna go to my lead gen. Oh, I haven't. Hold on, I gotta pull it up real quick. I forgot to pull it up. I'm gonna log into my lead gen real quick here. All right, go in. Do it again. Get in there. Okay, we'll go to the mailing system, and we basically gonna go to our next email here. Okay, so we're gonna go to, what's the next one? Let's build your monthly income. Okay, we're gonna do this one next, guys. Basically, once you get about 15 to 20 emails in them, you can just rotate them and it should be fine. The more the better, but 15, 20 seems to do pretty well. You don't have to stress yourself over coming up with new emails all the time. Just get a certain number in there, and then you can just rotate between it every time, like I'm doing now. That's all you gotta do. If you're interested in copying the email, I'll show you the email here. So you just copy that right there. You pause the video if you're interested in copying, guys. You just pause the video. I'm gonna show the whole email and stop it at certain points where you can pause and copy if you want to copy it. And it's a somewhat shortish email. I've written it like it's written on mobile, so it's easy to read on mobile, guys. And that's pretty much the whole email. So your link goes right here, guys. You can get your link from this page here, and all you gotta do is get it from here. You can get it from all-in-one $25 business. Now remember that this product promotes the 25. You can make the $20 a month and the $100 a month. So that's the reason why I promote this product here. Now all of these are different products and stuff, but I like this because it's the recurring commissions one. I know some of these are also recurring commissions, but I know for sure this is promoting 2 different products that are recurring. So yeah, go with that, guys. That's the one I'm using. You might get better results with other ones, but that's the one I'm using, guys, with the results I'm getting. That's all I want to know. And you know, you put your signature there. You don't even need it really. I do, but you don't gotta do that. Anyway, make sure to hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time people check the emails. And you want to make sure to preview and make sure your link works. I already know mine works because I don't sent this email before, so I already checked it before. So anyway, I just send the email and you are done, guys. That's all it takes. It's easy, it's quick, it's something that you do in a speck of time. You know what I mean? 2 or 3 minutes tops once you get your emails in there. It takes no time at all. Every morning, wake up, do that real quick, get that out the way. Extra $400-$500 a month. Building up income, guys. That's all I'm trying to show. That's all I want to show. I want to show that this is working for me, and I want you guys to know that, hey, this is working. All right, that's all I'm trying to say. If you're interested in following along, like I stated before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description below. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.